I-10, turning this section of I-10 into the bayou, turning it into a river. Several cars have had to basically make a detour to avoid getting swallowed up underneath this bridge. There are currently several cars and at least one 18-wheeler already stuck there. So again, this area of I-10 near Dell and Sheldon, very dangerous. Please, officers are cautioning drivers to avoid this area. This is a time when no vehicle should be on the roadway. Reporting from East Harris County, Andrea Nguyen, 39 News.